Hey guys, here again with another live trading video for all you dollar monsters out there. This video is from the live dollar monster chat, which you can get to through the website that I'll put in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to leave a comment so that YouTube knows you're interested in this video. Okay, so the stock we're trading today is Advanced Auto Parts. We found this stock by going to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ. We did a Google search on the stock. They had an excellent earnings report. Everything was great. Everything looked amazing. So that's the one we decided we was going to go with. So right now what's happening is we've got the pre-market charts here. We're currently on a downtrend. Everybody had been buying when the earnings report came out, so it got really overbought. So much so that people that bought in earlier in the pre-market, before the market even opened, started selling off their shares and cashing out, which allowed new buyers to come in and snatch up a few shares while they were on the downtrend, called averaging yourself in. So we want to map out first, before we do anything else, is map out our support and resistance. Now, by looking at this chart in the pre-market, we know that it's on a downtrend. But look at these dips. You see how they're going in this angle right here? So this would be our support. The stock is bouncing on this invisible line that's going down right here. And coincidentally, the support, which is the resistance, which is the highest the stock wants to go, is following this line. So we know this just about is our support. Just about up here should be our resistance. So the stock is going to want to go up there and bounce off. Our trick is to spot the pattern and get in at a low enough price so that we can make money while it's on its way to that resistance line. So this is how we did that. After the market opened, which these candles, all these candlesticks are on a 1 minute interval. So each one of these represents 1 minute worth of trading. So for the first 3 minutes, we see that a V-shaped pattern is starting to form. Okay? So how do we know that? This is a perfect chart to show it. This candlestick right here. This candlestick, some people call it the hammer, some people call it, because it looks like a hammer. Some people call it the dancing candlestick, it's whatever you want to call it. But it consists of a body and a wick at the top and a wick at the bottom. It don't matter how big they are or whatever, it just, that's it. So we know this is about where our support is. Now what we need is the next candle to first of all be a green candlestick, which it is. Yay, good thing. Next thing is we need the candle to close. We need this 1 minute worth of trading session to close above this red candlestick's wick. That's our first signal that it's on the uptrend, that we're coming into the V-shaped recovery. Our confirmation to enter into this trade would be another green candlestick. And of course, the candlestick has to close, that minute worth of session trading has to close above the wick of this first green candlestick, which it did. At the very end of this session, I pulled the trigger. I bought 50 shares and I set my take profit up here at just below where I believe the resistance is going to be, which would give me a profit of $51. I put my stop loss down here because I don't want to keep it too tight in case just a minute or two drop stomps me out of the whole trade when it all of a sudden shoots back up. So, I don't want to keep my stop loss too tight. Now, like I said, I've just come in. I set my take profit and I set my stop loss. So now, let's see how this plays out. Okay, now we're up to $10.50, $26. So you see how quick that happened? Now that we need this bar to close above these candlestick wicks. That lets me know that this is where the stock wants to go. We're up to $36, $37 profit. See how I done that? I raised now I'm up to $68 where I put my, because I believe it's going to go to this one. I think $67 is going to be the resistance it reaches at. Now remember, this is a V-shaped recovery. Okay? V-shaped recovery. And these patterns, like I've told y'all 100 times before, these patterns show up time and time and time again. All over the place. You've just got to learn how to spot them. And I've got patterns and courses and tutorials, all that on the Dollar Monster website, which is a link to it is in the description. And whenever you sign up on the website and become a member, you get access to this right here, the live trading session where you can follow along with me and all the other Dollar Monster members and chat and get answers to your questions from other people that have been doing this for years as well. It's a great community to be a part of, especially if you're interested in trading stocks, swing trading, day trading, whatever. Everything is there. Come on, baby, go on up there. Go on up there. Do what we want now. Sometimes you gotta sweet talk them. Oh, now see, don't be scared about that. Don't be scared about it. Come on, baby, what you gonna do? Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Good deal. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hardest part of trading is the waiting game. And that's what it is, guys. It's really just a waiting game. Just gotta wait. But it's gonna do its thing. See? There we go. There we go. Come on. It's gotta close above that green wick over there. Oh, and there it goes. There it goes. And that's how it is. $68 in the bank. All profit. I done this with a small amount of shares, only the 50 shares, because I wanted to kind of give a demonstration of how you can trade with a small trading account. I hate seeing these videos and this stuff that people post on YouTube, claiming to be experts or whatever, and they're hollering, "Oh, you can't make money in the stock market, with a small trading account. You've got to have, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars." And that's not true. That is just not true. You can grow. Now, I won't lie to you. It will take you some time, at least a year, to really get your account up to where you can be making hundreds of dollars a day. It's going to take some time to get up there, but you can do it. You can grow a small trading account and, work your way up to being able to trade with, hundreds or even thousands of shares at a time. But you've got to remember that you've got to learn how to spot patterns. You've got to be diligent, and you've got to be disciplined with your stop losses and your taking of profit. Lock those profits in when, take your money when it's handed to you. Because if you hesitate for just 2 or 3 seconds and just get a little nip of greed in you, then all of a sudden the price drops and you missed your opportunity. You should have took it when the money was handed to you. I've seen that happen so many times with new traders that are new to the game, and they get greedy and they don't take their money when they've got the profit right there in front of them. They think it's going to go up more, they're going to hold out for a little while longer, and they lose their chance. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and leave a comment. Let me know what kind of stocks you like to trade, or if you're into cryptocurrency, or whatever it is. Alright guys, take it easy.